Hey, welcome back. If you want to speak better English at work and sound more natural, confident and fluent, you are in the right place. Today we're diving into 6 really useful English idioms that will instantly boost how you communicate on the job. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Let's start with get the ball rolling. This means to begin something like this video, especially a project or a process. For example, let's get the ball rolling on that client report. It's great for team meetings when you're kicking things off. It's quite a proactive thing to say, and you'll make a great impression if you say it. Give it a go. Let's get the ball rolling. Next up, on the same page. I use this when I want to make sure everyone's in agreement or understands. Before we move forward, let's make sure we're on the same page. It'd be great if everybody was on the same page. Let's explain it so we're all on the same page. It's simple, professional and useful. Number 3 today, by the book. I'm no good at doing things by the book. It means following rules or procedures exactly. Por ejemplo, our team does everything by the book to avoid mistakes. This one's perfect when talking about process or compliance. Next, we've got hit the ground running. This is one of my favourites. It means to start something quickly and with a lot of energy. She hit the ground running on her first day and impressed everyone. Say this about yourself when you start a new job. I'm keen to hit the ground running. You can say it about new employees or when you're talking about taking initiative. If you ever feel like plans are uncertain, that's when you use up in the air. Our vacation is still up in the air until we know our budget. In work terms, the project deadline is up in the air right now. We don't know yet when the deadline is. Maybe there's reasons why we can't come up with an exact date yet, so it's all up in the air. Last one for today, burning the midnight oil. You use this when you or someone else is working late into the night. Think of an old oil lamp from a 18th century movie. Florence Nightingale carrying the lamp. The whole team's been burning the midnight oil to meet the deadline. Don't forget to rest too. Which idiom was your favourite? Or have you heard one used at work that confused you? Let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one. I'd really love to know what you thought about these idioms, if you used them at work and what happened. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real-world English you can actually use at work, as well as a range of tips to help you with your English. And if you missed part 1 with the first 4 idioms, it's right here. Would you like these idioms in Spanish or Portuguese, French, German? Yeah, that's all my languages. Let me know and I'll record it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.